What's up, or welcome back to the channel. This is Olaitonabi here. Today was an amazing day at Starboy's Freedom. He has been working as an apprentice, or that is that, for some years now, but I don't know precisely. I'll try to fix that in the description below. He has been working on that is that for, I don't know really. So yes, the day before yesterday, courageadams just got back from Spain, so he decided to pull up at Starboy's, Freedom. So when I got there, I closed from work around 6 o'clock. I couldn't vlog enough because the DJ was playing, so everywhere was very loud, so I couldn't talk and talk about the people there. But enough of my jibby jabber, let's just jump into the video and see what happened, and then we'll talk I'll try to fix the name of everybody who try to take a picture with Starboy or whoever it is in the video. So let's just jump in. This is King BMX and courageadams taking picture together. He decided to pull up a bass spin right here. The crowd out here was just another thing. The whole vibe. I didn't know him before, but so that came with the cameraman and all of that. Wow, so clean, so nice. It's good to be a bro. Just asking to keep on pulling the bass because we want to sing bass, it's truly bass, bro. And he was a very cool, nice guy. Just do it. Very clean, super interesting. It was an amazing day. Overall, it's a good day. Starboy is that. Starboy courageadams, his junior brother. Yeah, the crew decided to take a picture of everybody. Me, Starboy, Wafurian. So I'll try to drop the link of everybody in the description below so you can check anybody out to see this. This is a very lively man. He just decided to pull up this lady out to dance with him, and while he was riding the bike, it was amazing. Interesting.
So let me go for the night. In my bag, you feel like that.